Hello and welcome to Profitolizer. Let us guide you through the process of adding selling, general, and administrative expenses under the expenses. The Selling, General, and Administrative Expenses page enables you to input and manage expenses related to your company's daily operations. These include costs that are not directly linked to the production of goods or services, but are essential for maintaining and managing the business effectively. After logging in, go to Expenses and select Selling, General, and Administrative Expenses. The main table displays the expenses and their respective costs across different dates. To add expense, click on the plus Add Expense button to create a new SG&A expense. You will be prompted to enter details such as the expense name and enter its cost. Then click the green button. To change the cost for a specific date, click on the cell and enter the new amount. You can also edit or delete this expense name or cost. To edit the expense name, click on the expense name, then edit expense name or cost and click the green button. Or if you want to delete the expense name, click the trash bin icon and click delete. Be cautious, as this action is irreversible and will delete all items within the group. Thank you for watching this video.